Want to automate QR code generation in Unicode? In this video, I'll walk you through how to set it up quickly and effectively, and explain why some of the features might not be as smooth as you'd expect, plus an exclusive alternative that can really make your process seamless. Stick around till the end to get a special offer you won't want to miss. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to know about automating QR code generation in Unicode is that it has an intuitive user interface. You can easily create QR codes for links, contact information, events, and more with just a few clicks. But while it sounds great, there are some things you might want to watch out for if you need a more flexible solution. Next thing, if you're aiming for efficiency, Unicode offers an API that you can integrate into your systems to automatically generate QR codes without manually inputting data. It's decent for simple workflows, but if you need more advanced features like tracking or dynamic QR codes, you might find it a bit limited. It's worth noting that Unicode is primarily designed for quick setups and straightforward use cases. For a more scalable solution, however, you may need something with a little more flexibility. The third thing you should know is the batch generation feature. It's useful when you want to create multiple QR codes at once. But here's the catch, it's a bit rigid. If your needs involve frequent updates or customizations, you'll find that Unicode's batch generation can't always accommodate those without manually adjusting the parameters. Another downside? The customization options are somewhat basic. Sure, you can adjust the color and design of your QR codes, but it lacks more advanced customization features, like the ability to add logos or design intricate patterns. If you want your QR codes to stand out, Unicode may not be the best fit. Now, let's talk about Unicode's integration capabilities. If you're using it for more than just generating QR codes, like integrating with your CRM, e-commerce platform, or other tools, you may run into some hurdles. The integrations aren't as expansive as some competitors. You may need a bit of extra effort to make everything work together smoothly. That brings me to a competitor that does all of this and more, QR Code Generator Pro. With QR Code Generator Pro, you get more advanced customization options, batch generation with fewer limits, and far better integrations. If you're serious about automating your QR code generation and want the ability to scale, this is a tool that can take your business to the next level. And here's the best part. Through our link, you get an exclusive, extended free trial with QR Code Generator Pro. But don't worry, we're not just leaving you with one option. We've also listed other amazing alternatives in the description that come with free trials, all designed to help you automate your QR code generation with ease. So, if you're tired of limitations and want a better, more scalable solution, check out our link for the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, you'll be glad you did.